Progressions and series. Arithmetic progression. Nth term and sum of n terms. If a is the first term and d is the common difference, the AP can be written as a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. An is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The sum of first n terms of such an AP is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which can also be written as n by 2 into a plus l, where l is the last term, that is the nth term of the AP. If three terms are in an AP, then the middle term is called the arithmetic mean AM between the other two terms. That is, if A, B, C are in AP, then B is equal to A plus C by 2 is the AM of A and C. If A1, A2 and so on AN are n numbers, then the arithmetic mean AM of these numbers is A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on AN by n. If n numbers A1, A2, A3, AN are said to be the AMs between the numbers A and B are in AP, then AN is equal to A plus n into B minus A by n plus 1 is equal to A plus NB by n plus 1. Geometric progression GP. Nth term and sum of n terms. If A is the first term and R is the common ratio, then the GP can be written as AR, AR square and so on. The nth term AN is given by AN is equal to AR par n minus 1. The sum of the first n terms of the GP is A into R par n minus 1 by R minus 1 when R is not equal to 1, and NA when R is 1. If minus 1 is less than R less than 1, that is when R lies between minus 1 to 1, then the sum of infinite GP is A plus AR square and so on is A by 1 minus R. If three terms are in GP, then the middle term is called the geometric mean, GM, between the two. So if A, B, C are in GP, then B is root AC, is the geometric mean of A and C. If A1, A2 and so on AN are non-zero positive numbers, then their GM, G is given by G is equal to A1, A2, A3 and so on AN whole power 1 by n. If G1, G2 and so on Gn are n geometric means between A and B, then A, G, G1, G2 and so on Gn, B will be an GP when Gn is equal to A into n plus 1th root of B by A whole power n. Harmonic mean 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3 and so on are in AP, then the sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on will be in HP. The nth term AN of the HP is AN is equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is 1 by A1 and D is 1 by A2 minus 1 by A1. Harmonic means if A and B are two non-zero numbers, then the harmonic mean of AB is a number H such that the numbers A, H, B are in HP. We have 1 by H is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by A plus 1 by B. Then H is equal to 2AB by A plus B. If A1, A2 and so on AN are n non-zero numbers, then the harmonic mean H of these numbers is given by 1 by H is equal to 1 by n into 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on 1 by AN. The n numbers H1, H2 and so on Hn are said to be n harmonic means between A and B if A, H1, H2 and so on Hn, B are in HP, that is if 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2 and so on 1 by B are in AP. Then 1 by the nth term is given by 1 by A plus n into A minus B by n plus 1 into AB, that is B plus NA by AB into n plus 1. Arithmetico-geometric progression. The sum Sn of the first n terms of an AGP is obtained by the following way. Sn is AB plus A plus D into BR. You can observe that it is a product of arithmetic mean, that is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, and B, BR, BR square and so on, which is in geometric mean. When we multiply both sides by R, and subtract it by the first equation itself, then we get Sn is equal to AB, the sum of these terms is AB by 1 minus R plus D into BR into 1 minus R power n minus 1 by 1 minus R whole square minus A plus n minus 1 into D into BR power n by 1 minus R. If R lies between minus 1 to 1, the sum of infinite number of terms of the progression is limit n tends to infinity. Sn is equal to S, that is AB by 1 minus R plus DBR by 1 minus R whole square. Miscellaneous progressions. Some important results. The sum of first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Few inequalities are discussed in here. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. Let a1, a2 and so on an be n positive real numbers. Then we define their arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean as a is equal to a1 plus a2 plus and so on an by n. Geometric mean g as a1 into a2 into so on an whole power 1 by n. Harmonic mean h is equal to n by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 and so on 1 by n. It can be shown that a is greater than or equal to g greater than or equal to h. Moreover, this inequality holds at either place if and only if a1 is equal to a2 and so on an. Weighted means. Let a1, a2 and so on an be n positive real numbers and m1, m2 and so on mn be n positive rational numbers. Then we define weighted arithmetic mean a, weighted geometric mean g and weighted harmonic mean h as a is equal to m1a1 plus m2a2 and so on mnan by m1 plus m2 and so on mn. Geometric mean as a1 power m1, a2 power m2 and so on an power mn whole power 1 by m1 plus m2 plus and so on mn. Harmonic mean as m1 plus m2 and so on mn by m1 by a1 plus m2 by a2 and so on mn by n. It can be shown that the weighted arithmetic mean is greater than weighted geometric mean is greater than weighted harmonic mean. This too holds good if and only if a1, a2 and so on an are equal. Arithmetic mean of mth power. Let a1, a2 and so on an be n positive real numbers. Specified those all are not equal. And let m be a real number, then a1 power m plus a2 power m and so on an power m by n is greater than a1 plus a2 and so on an by n whole power m if m belongs to set of real minus set of 0 and 1. If m belongs to 0, 1 open, then a1 power m plus a2 power m and so on an power m by n is less than a1 plus a2 and so on an by n whole power m. If it consists only of 0 and 1, then a1 power m plus a2 power m and so on an power m by n is equal to a1 plus a2 and so on an by n whole power m. Thank you.